Hello everyone! My name is G. Kalunsag Mamulo and I'm delighted to be your ESL teacher. I am 25 years old and proudly a licensed professional teacher from the Philippines. As a certified ESL instructor, my passion is to make learning both enjoyable and effective. I'm here to guide you on this language learning journey. So let's make our lesson engaging and rewarding. Feel free to ask questions and share your thoughts. We're in this together. Please join my class and we will have a lively, interesting, and fun learning lessons. See you!